Bases empty, bottom of the 7th. The Rays and the Blue Jays from Buffalo, New York. Finishing last night's suspended game, and Diego Castillo is on for the 8th time.
8 strikeouts, 5 2/3 innings. Has not given up an earned run, and that opponent's average extremely impressive, 0.56.
Gurriel Jr. goes after the first pitch, lifts it into left, and it's caught by Austin Meadows.
Tell you what, these opposing pitching staffs have done a great job today, really, of bending but not breaking. You know, you saw that box score. 2 runs on each team, so 4 total runs on, you know, what, 29 hits, 19 hits, whatever it is, and then it feels like 29 hits, 19 hits, and then a bunch of walks mixed in, intentional or otherwise. There have been base runners all over the place, and just for each team to have 2 runs, guys have made pitches.
Be careful with this guy, Teoscar Hernandez, 2 for 3 with a double, driving in a run in the 5th. 1 ball, no strike, count to him. It's going to be on the corner. Jeremy Riggs. Riggs this year making his Major League debut, along with a pretty good number of young umpires. Of the veteran senior umpires opting out of the season, and so that has given some of those young umpires working in the minor leagues a chance to get some big league time.
And maybe to stick around. You never know.
2-2. Cole up in the bullpen. Worked in the game on Friday. Strike on that outside corner. 1, 2, 3 go the Blue Jays. And we're going to head into the 8th with the Rays and the Jays tied 2-2. Seven is down. Guerrero with a strikeout and a couple of ground ball outs. Two and 0. Castillo called upon for the first time in this series. Last outing was Tuesday in Boston. And the right toward the line. A go on the move is there. 1 away. Castillo had a 1-2-3-7th in the game Tuesday at Fenway, won by the Rays 8-2. Rays and the Blue Jays tied 2-2 right now. Krachtige has a double and a single in the game. It's low out of the zone. Anderson, the right-hander, and Luke, the lefty. Oh! 1-1. Another game to go today. Rays and the Blue Jays finishing last night's suspended game. Fastball 97 for a strike.
Castillo not wasting any time filling up this zone, going right after these Blue Jay hitters, which is what you want to see. His stuff is that good.
2-2. Regularly scheduled game. Yanni Chirinos off the IL, so it'll be Chirinos against Matt Shoemaker. Down the left side toward the corner, and that ball is well fouled. It's a 2-2 count. It's going to be out of play. Tellez on deck. A number of power threats up and down this lineup. And the count is full on Krachtige. The ball for any of these guys. Krachtige hit 31 home runs last year. And Castillo works to him with a 3-ball, 2-strike count. And he loses him after getting ahead.
Yeah, tried to expand the zone on 1-2, and you understand that, but then you've got to be a little bit more close to the zone, and that one right there ripped way out of there, and you see Rowdy Tellez taking a turnaround and a walk back. Is that Kyle Snyder heading out to the mound, or no, it's Kevin Cash?
Yep, that's the one and only walk by Rays pitching today. The Florida Lottery brings you this call to the bullpen.